Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer, withdraw your money from Binance to Skrill. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will explain you everything. Before we start, don't forget, click the like buttons. Okay, first of all, log into your Binance account, and once you will log in, you need to transfer your crypto from a fiat and spot balance to the funding balance, because we need to use funding balance to withdraw money from Binance, guys. So first of all, go to your wallet, go to the spot account, and right here you will see this transfer button. You need to click on the transfer, and in the top you need to select fiat and spot, and in the bottom you need to select funding. Right here you need to select the cryptocurrency, for example USDT, and you need to select the amount of USDT you're going to withdraw from Binance. So for example 500 USDT, and click the confirm button, guys. Once you will move your USDT to the funding balance, then you can go to the trade in the top menu and go to the P2P trading. All right, when you move on this page, you need to select sell, because we are selling USDT and we will receive USD on our Skrill account, guys. So we need to select sell. We need to select the currency. Most likely it's USD. We need to select the payment method. So in this case, we need to use Skrill. So find Skrill in the list and click it. And as you can see, there are a lot of exchanges who are exchanging crypto to the Skrill USD, and they have got different limits, different rules, and they have got the feedbacks. They have got number of orders, so you need to find somebody who has got a lot of orders, a lot of transactions, and high percentage of positive feedback. So I suggested to find somebody who has got more than 99% of positive feedbacks. So for example, guys, let's look at the this guy who has got 99% of positive feedbacks and more than 400 orders. But look at the reserves. He has got only 473 USDT on his balance, guys. Minimum payment is $280. So for example, let's choose this guy. We need to click the sell USDT button right here. And before we will exchange our USDT, look at the rules. I will send money by account, my friends. Yes or no, read before click. And it takes around 15 minutes, guys. So average pay time is 3 minutes, and 473 USDTs are available. So if you agree all of this, you need to set your payment method right here. You need to click this plus icon, and you need to enter your Skrill email, guys. Once you will enter it, click the confirm button. And then you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to exchange. So minimum is 250. So you can, for example, enter 300 USDT right here. And for 300 USDT, you will receive 303.3 USD on your Skrill balance, guys. So if everything is correct, you need to click sell USDT button. And in maximum 15 minutes, you will receive your money on your Skrill account, guys. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to click the like button. See you in the next video.